Climate Central has a really robust program on sea level rise information that it can incorporate into regular daily decision making. So what we do is we look and have mapped around the world where that water is going to go as it rises, which year, under which scenarios of warming, and then what's going to be underneath that water. And that's really critical for people to make decisions, especially as sea level continues to rise. They need to plan for the future. What will be underwater, when, and where? Scientific accuracy is really critical in climate and public messaging because climate change is sadly affecting so many aspects of our daily lives, and people need to be informed how to make decisions around our changing climate. For example, how hot it's going to be, when, what's going to be underwater from sea level rise or from an approaching storm. People also need to know the impacts that have economically and on their health. Global collaborations, like those between Climate Central and the Media Workshop at FIM, are critical in helping to get important scientific information to more people in a more effective way. Together, we go faster and we go farther. And that's because we each have our own strengths. When we bring them together, we can connect with more people in more effective ways.